Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing front brake pads and rotors on this Suzuki Kizashi. I don't know if I said that right. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so first we're going to take our wheel off. Got some 19mm lug nuts on there. Then we're going to reach right behind here. We got 14 there, 14 there. We're going to take that bolt off. Then we'll go ahead and kind of pull the caliper towards us, pull it off, and we'll see what that looks like here on the other side. Then we're going to take our brake pads off. We'll do that, just kind of grab onto them, pull them off, and let's see, that was pretty thin. We see it's kind of shiny up here, and we got a rust lip here and here. When you have a rust lip, you know, you take your fingers and you kind of get caught right there. It's a good idea to replace the rotor. A lot of times they can't turn them out, and if it's below minimum thickness, you're going to want to replace it too. The minimum thickness is 24mm on this one. And see my little special tool. You're going to get a tool like this. Go ahead and just put it up there, measure it. That's how you'll measure it. And that's when you'd want to replace the rotor. It looks like we got probably like a 17mm bolt right here and a 17mm bolt right here. We'll take that off, take this bracket off, and then this rotor should just slide right off. So we'll check that out here in a second. All right, and these bolts were surprisingly super tight. So for this one, I used my impact, and then for this one, I took an extension. It's actually a 19, I said 17. Put my ratchet on there, took this nice long bar. You can see I turned the wheel out so I could clear it and just broke it loose that way. So we'll take those off, and this will slide off, and this will come right on out. Okay guys, and before I take this stuff off, I always like to tell you, take these slide pins out, lube them up with high temperature brake grease. It's usually black. You can get it at your local parts store, so don't forget to do that. Also, this right here, your brake pad, what's it called, like a shim, right? Like a brake pad shim. Make sure to replace those if it comes with it, or like with your new brake pads, sometimes it'll come with these. Or take some of that high temperature brake grease and put it on the ends of your new pads when you're installing them. So this just kind of comes off like that. We'll set them off to the side, and then your rotor just comes off like that. So everything else for the installation is the reverse the removal, so it's not that bad of a project. So as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.